Hey everyone, I'm Doug Theoharis, Director of Education for Danger Jones, and I wanted to share our newest addition to our lightning category, Cream Lightener. Let's start with what it is and how it's different from our Powder Lightener. Our Cream Lightener is a softer lightening formula, perfect for hair that is fragile, sensitive, or is a little bit more compromised. Because let's face it, you're not going to always have the perfect canvas when lightening, and especially when color correcting hair. Using our Cream Lightener is a great solution for those situations. Similar to our Powder Lightener, our Cream Lightener has a bonding complex to protect the hair and seaweed to protect the scalp. But we've added more conditioning properties like jojoba and aloe vera oils to give it a softer, slower lift. You'll still get a powerful 9+ levels of lift just like our Powder Lightener. However, our Cream Lightener will just get you there a little bit more slowly. Our Cream Lightener is also a versatile formula. You can use it in foils, on scalp, and for hair painting techniques. Different from other Cream Lighteners, ours won't swell in a foil and doesn't leave a waxy residue in the hair. Mix in a non-metallic bowl with our Deluxe Cream Developers 5 to 40 volumes in a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 ratio, meaning 1 part Cream Lightener to 2 parts developer. I've been using our Cream Lightener for several months now, and I've been so impressed with how it delivers soft, beautiful lift on my beachy blondes, and how it gives a slower, controlled lift on my color corrections, leaving the hair feeling soft and bright. I want to reiterate that our Cream Lightener isn't here to replace our Powder Lightener. You're still going to use this as your go-to all-around lightener. Our Cream Lightener is just another tool to have in your lightening kit for when you've got someone with fragile, extra sensitive, or compromised hair, and you want or need a slower control lift. Now that you know everything there is to know about our new Cream Lightener, I can't wait to see what you do with it.